Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Utua Loan Review, whether it's legit or just another scam. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Now, Utua is a loan service operating in the Philippines, and according to their official loan page, they offer quick online applications and flexible terms. The site looks clean and professional, and the process seems simple. Fill out the form, submit documents, and wait for approval. However, it's worth noting that there are no Trustpilot reviews for Utua, and user feedback across other platforms is also very limited. That doesn't necessarily mean it's bad. It just means there's not much out there to help verify their reliability or customer experience. For the final verdict, a duo might be a legit option, especially if you're in a hurry and meet their requirements. But since there isn't much third party feedback, we suggest approaching with a bit of caution. Make sure to read the fine print, ask questions, and compare other loan providers first. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.